Hey guys, Saturday, March 30th, 2024. Getting tired of cutting all my metal with the cut-off tool. So I went out and I bought the Dewalt D28715. This is an older model. I've read some reviews that it cuts crooked, but we're going to see what happens. Save the box just in case. I had a cut-off saw when I was in Arizona, a chop saw. And I believe it was a Ryobi, worked fine. But when I moved back east, I sold a lot of the stuff that I didn't think I was going to use or need. Never do that. This is a 14-inch. Unfortunately, one of the good blades that I had from the other one is only a 10-inch, so we're going to have to deal with the blade that it comes with, and a lot of people complained about that, saying it was really thin and it flexes, and yeah, I can see that concern. Two reasons that I bought this, technically three. One was the price. At Lowe's, with my military discount, tax, it was $200. Second reason is this quick change blade. You don't need any tools. I wish I had a lock to keep that from banging on your paws. But yeah, basically you just spin off this, of course it's plastic. Take off the washer, and that's it. Quick and easy. I always lose the wrenches to these things, so I thought this would be perfect for me. 1-inch arbor. Now they say this is a 5.5 horsepower, max horsepower. So they say. I can tell you that it is pretty heavy. Third reason is this quick release. Loosen up your clamp, flip this lever over, and you don't have to turn this for days to get to wherever you need to be. Another cool feature is to cut angles. You don't have to loosen anything up. You flip your handle and you can change your angle anywhere from 0 to 45. We'll see how accurate that is and how well it cuts 90s. And again, for what I'm using it for, it's basically making some blacksmithing stuff, some hooks, and I don't need it to be straight because I'm going to be forging it anyway, and if necessary, do a final grind on the belt grinder. I guess the first thing I should do is get it plugged in and see if it actually works, because you know DOA is not an impossibility. Well, it definitely works, and I just noticed that it does have this lever to keep the blade locked while you're fighting with that plastic nut to get it off. So surprise, surprise, I had this thought that when you release this lock, if it would allow this to slide without loosening those, because they were kind of tucked under there, and that's the case. So yeah, it's that easy. I'm gonna go grab a piece of steel and make a first cut. So I figure we'll try it on a piece of 1/2-inch rebar that at the moment anyway I don't have much use for. All right, the clamp's pretty tight. Actually, I'm gonna go grab some safety glasses. I'll be right back. All right, it's gonna get loud. Let's see how hot that's going to be. Oh, that's all right. So it's straight, for this anyway. Left a little tang over here, but yeah. That is so much easier and faster and safer. Just thought I'd bring you guys along for that. And yeah, if there's any issues or pitfalls, I will certainly cry about it, and you'll see that in a video. Maybe one more thing to mention about this, and I know I've been manhandling it while it's plugged in, so let's undo that. Safety hazard. This pin back here, if you want to store it or transport it, push the pin in, it locks it down. You've got a handle here to carry it around, and yeah, you're all good to go. So the spark deflector on the front here is actually metal, thankfully. This plastic probably would cook if you're doing a lot of repetition cuts. And yeah, that actually worked. I'm not in the horse business anymore, so I don't use the side-by-side for hauling food or grain to the horses, so that's why I did it here. It's just kind of a utility vehicle for sure now. But yeah, this kept the sparks from going all over the place, which is another problem I have with the cutoff tool that I use. So this is going to be okay, I guess. All right, guys, enjoy your Saturday, and we'll talk soon. Take care.